success mo, ewan ko, di ko nga siya masyado pinapasok po sa akin. It's just, I'm just really grateful and I'm just having fun and I just love life and I love living with you all and seeing all of you. Yun po, thank you. Wala naging safety na. Oh,
Okay,
thank you po.
All right, thank you so much, Miss Blythe. Thank you for sharing that. Napakaganda ng message mo. Na-touch kami doon. So ayan, ladies and gentlemen, ayan, we are about to witness a moment of great significance, a moment that solidifies partnership between Miss Andrea Brillantes and Dear Face. This gesture symbolizes not just a contract renewal, but the strengthening of a bond built on shared values and aspirations. Now, as we embark on this new era, let us celebrate the beauty and brilliance of Miss Andrea and the innovative spirit of Dear Face. Together, they inspire us to embrace our melon glow and radiant confidence. So without further ado, Miss Jonah and Miss Andrea, please do the honors.
Sabi nga nila, when life gives you lemons. Wait lang, pwede po bang huwag ng lemon? Meron po bang iba?
Ito, melon.
Ay, sige yan, pwede yan. When life gives you melons, meron laging chance to become a better version of yourself. So, this is me, making a choice to take care of myself even more. Welcome to my new era.
Let's all give them a warm round of applause. Once again, the face of Dear Face Beauty Milk Melon. Let's give it up for Miss Andrea Brillantes. And to celebrate the renewed legacy, let us all stand and raise our glasses for a toast for Miss Andrea, Miss Jonah Sison Ramos, and Dear Face. Let's toast to a beautiful and glowing partnership and the continued success of Dear Face. Once again, let's drink to Blythe. And once again, congratulations. And there you have it. Congratulations, Miss Andrea and Miss Jonah. Now, of course, we have come to the part of the program wherein we're going to be taking in the photo op. So we request that you remain on stage for a few more minutes for this. And of course, may we call on Miss Andrea and Miss Jonah here. And flash those pearly whites in 3, 2, 1. Smile for the camera. And then for the next one, maybe request Miss Andrea for her solo photo. Miss Jonah can go down the stage. There you go. All right. And for the next one, maybe request Sir Louis, Miss Andrea and Miss Jonah on stage for their photo op. Next, maybe call on the Dear Face team to head up here on stage.
One, two, three, four.
Start na daw. Tapos na yung ano dyan, yung naman.
Okay. So, wala na.
Up next, maybe call on our dear bosses to head up here on stage.
Ano sabi? Pupunta ka pa.
Okay. Here. One, two, three.
May video siya. Saan ba sa
Once again, thank you so much to all our media guests for joining us today. And thank you, Dear Face, for having me. This has been your host, Jane Gabulia. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the day.
Meron mga interviews.
Pwede daw. Pwede daw.
All right, for our media guests who would like to interview or go near Andrea Brillantes, please head on to the stage.
Bill. Walang charger. Or bank.
months weeks. I think like 5 to 6. And, ano pa ba? Para kung maalagaan ko yung health ko, healthy relationship. Healthier.
Pero are you gearing up for another goal? Meron na bang goal na pinag-aaral?
Wala. Pero thank you po. Wala. Actually, inaamin ko na I'm not the healthiest person at all. Pero I try my best. I try my best to look after my health. Pero thank you kung akala nyo kung ano po kasi, I think, yung pag-ibig ko, meron lang po akong binago sa life ko. Although hindi po ako masyado open, elaborate pag kung diet ko, pero hindi naman siya talagang pakapayat ako. There has been a big change lang in what I eat. Kaya siguro meron, nakikita niyo na pinagbago sa body ko.
Hindi ko meron ako sa
Well, kasi, nakita niyo naman na nagpa-bar, yung tinatawag na parang Barbie arms, and lalo kasi may college and may bagong parang variant ba? Basta merong stronger na people doon. And lumit yung arms ko because of that. Pero yung sinasabi nila na parang okay or something is also because I lost almost like 20 pounds. It's a lot. Because I lost a lot of pounds. So, from lumit na siya because of what I did with Bello. Lumit na siya because I also lost a lot of weight. So, it's not because nagiging sobra ako sa mga pinagagawa ko. I also lost a lot of weight overall. So, syempre, since napag-ikultura ko, mas lumit pa siya.
How do you deal with that? I mean, you've been in the industry for so long. Ano talaga?
Sa mga nagko-comment ba my arms, I really don't care. Like, kasi, it's actually crazy for me. It's crazy that other people have the authority or the right, or that their opinion matters to me, their opinion about my body. Parang kailangan ko siyang, ay, sabi ni user ng ganyan-ganyan. Everything that I do for my body is for me. Kasi pag nagising ko at nakikita ko sa salamin sarili ko, hindi naman si user ni diba? Aware ako sa sinasabi nila, pero hindi ko siya pinapapasok sa akin kasi ginagawa ko kung ano yung nakasaya sa akin and I'm really happy with my body. And that's yung mga sinasabi nila na unfortunate whatever. Well, kasi I can't control it. God blessed me with blessings. And you know, I lost weight na nga. Kasi ang feeling ko na parang I have it's not a large stress, but like for subject ko kasi a bit small. I'm very elected, so that's may sinasabi ko. Pero wala akong nagagawa. I just have to hold it. I just have to hold it. But I'm really happy. So alam ka naman patungkol ko siya dahil lang sa comment sa akin mga tao. No. Natanggapin ko lang kung anong meron ako.
Sa mesa nga namin.
Nag-iaway pa rin sa kanila. Ang pinaka-importante na
Parang ininis ko yata.